Hi, this is Gogi from Gogi.in, and here is the unboxing and review of Xolo Q1000. This is the box pack. This is a quad-core handset with a 5-inch HD screen. Let's go through the specifications as mentioned on the box pack. Here are the specifications. It's powered by a quad-core MediaTek processor with a 5-inch HD screen, IPS display, 8MP rear autofocus camera with BSI sensor and a 1.2MP front camera, 1GB RAM, 4GB internal storage, external card support, 3G supported on both the SIMs, Bluetooth, GPS, Wi-Fi, 2100 mAh battery, and running on the Android 4.2 Jelly Bean OS. Let's start the unboxing process. What you see here is the handset, the Q1000. We'll have a look at this later. Inside the box pack, you will find the screen guard. This is the charger. This is a standard travel charger that you get when you buy any of the Xolo handsets. Here is the battery of 2100 mAh capacity, USB to micro USB cable, and a standard earphone that you get with the Xolo handsets, the call button and the mic, and a nice looking ear plug, white colored, of a premium quality. Xolo warranty information, and here is the quick start guide. And here is the handset, the front view and the glossy back view, glossy white view. I'm going to remove the protective film, and here is how it looks. The handset is 8.8 mm thick and the weight is around 151 grams. The 3 touch sensitive buttons, and here is the mic, and on the top the 1.2MP camera, in-call speaker, and the sensors. On the top side there is the 3.5mm audio jack and the micro USB port. On the right side you'll find the power lock button, and on the left side the volume rockers, and below the volume rockers there is an extra button to launch the camera application, and it can also be used as a click button. The rear side is white color with glossy finish. Here is the speaker out, the Xolo logo here, and the 8MP autofocus camera with BSI sensor and the LED flash. This handset is here to compete with the Micromax A116. The hardware specifications are nearly identical to what we have seen on the Micromax A116. In fact, Micromax had recently rolled out the Jelly Bean 4.2 upgrade for its A116 model. Price wise, the Micromax A116 is cheaper than this handset. The build quality is as good as on the A116. Let's have a closer side view. What you see here is the metallic grey followed by the silver lining and the white glossy back cover. This is with an IPS screen, and the screen viewing angle looks good enough. Let's open up the battery compartment, the SAR value. This is a dual SIM handset. Both the SIM slots support 3G. This is SIM slot 1, and next to it is the SIM slot 2. Next to the SIM slot 2 you'll find the micro SD card slot. Let's power on this device. This device runs on the Jelly Bean 4.2 OS. What you see here is the Xolo logo, and here's the main screen. These are the 3 backlit buttons. This is a quad-core handset. The performance looks good. I'm now going to test the screen, the touch screen. The touch seems smooth and responsive. There is a Media 3D app that comes pre-installed. I have not checked this yet, but I think it is just a gallery. Model number and Android version 4.2.1, Wi-Fi hotspot, USB and Bluetooth tethering supported. Here is the automatic brightness option. The internal storage is 0.91 GB free, and the phone storage is 1.8 GB free. Of the 1 GB RAM you get around 640 MB free. You cannot move apps to external storage, you can just move it to the internal phone storage. System information: ARM v7 processor clocked at 1.2 GHz, MT6589. The resolution is 1280 by 720 pixels, and the GPU is PowerVR SGX 544 MP. And here are the sensors: accelerometer, proximity light, orientation, and magnetic sensor. There is no magnetic sensor. The quadrant benchmark score is 4001, and the Antutu score is 13,159. Here is the Villamo HTML5 is 1492, and Metal is 451. Nina Mark II is 43.7 FPS, and this handset supports 5-point multi-touch. Here is the Micromax A116, and next to it is the Q1000 with both the keyboards. You can clearly see the color difference. Here is the Nina Mark II running on both these handsets. Again, the color difference is noticeable. I think the color reproduction is a little better on the Q1000 handset. And here is the Nina Mark score, again nearly identical. The extra button underneath the volume rockers, press it and hold it for some time to load the camera application. And you can press the button again to capture images. This is with an 8MP autofocus rear camera with BSI sensor. Here is the picture size. It's 8MP in standard 4:3 resolution, and in full screen you get 6 megapixel. In video quality, you can set it to fine to record in full HD resolution. The interface is the same that we have seen on many other handsets. Here are the options on the left side. I'm going to record a video in full HD resolution, and as you can see, the video has already started, and I'm going to play this video in MX Player. Here is the video in MX Player properties, and as you can see, it has recorded in 1080p resolution at 30 frames per second. This handset with similar features as compared with the Micromax A116 is priced at Rs 14,999. When it comes to the price, the A116 is cheaper, but when it comes to the camera quality and the color reproduction, the Q1000 is a little better. However, you cannot record apps on the external storage. For full review, sample images and videos, visit my website gogi.in.